Hey everyone, welcome back to FMS Auto Performance. Today we have a special DIY tutorial. We're going to guide you through the process of installing a head gasket on the EJ25 engine. Clean the cylinder head and engine block surfaces thoroughly. Any debris or old gasket material can compromise the seal, so take your time with this step. JE Pro Seal-Athena Cooper Fire Ring Head Gasket for EJ25. Out front custom ARP half-inch head stud. Hand tighten. 25% stronger than 625 plus studs and 40% stronger than 11mm ARP 2000. Now comes the exciting part. Installing the new head gasket. Make sure it aligns correctly with the cylinder block. Ensure that the ring groove are upward. Over 200 foot-pound tested for stud pull-out in block. Make sure it aligns correctly with the cylinder block and cylinder head. Custom large diameter hardened washers to prevent embedding into head under heavy torque values and HP levels. Follow this order when tightening down the nut. Start from the middle. Start by hand tightening the nuts. Follow the same pattern as mentioned. Start at 40 foot-pound, 80 foot-pound, 120 foot-pound, and 155 foot-pound. Now repeat the same step on the other side of the cylinder block. start in this pattern. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully installed a JE Pro Seal-Athena Cooper fire ring head gasket.